Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to send files on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, open the app and go to the conversation where you want to send the files. And after that go and click on that paperclip on the bottom left of the screen. And here you will find multiple options. And you can choose like gallery or you can choose file. And here you will find like your files. You can select from gallery or select from files. And here it will show you your files. And for example, I will choose this file and click open. And as you can see, this file is uploaded and shared with the other person. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.